Assalamualaikum. My name is Akmal Zulsarhan bin Zulfana, and my metric number is 224036. So for today, I'm going to present assignment 1, which is set up x86 programming environment. Right. So for the first steps, we need to build. Right. So build this. Yeah, it's built successfully. Then for second steps, need to debug here. It's debugging started. And then for the memory content here, we need to put two variables, which is data and result. All right, so for here, we change the word here. Here, we change to hexadecimal. Here, and for data variable, we set to 4. For result, set to 1. Right, so before that, we need to make sure that this program show the register and show the video. All right, so for the line 7, the MOV means we need to move current style positions into EDP, which is based on the stack. So now we have a reference point to allow us to refer our local variable that store on the stack. So it means the EDP value is will not change. All right, so we step over. Okay, for line 8, sub meaning we subtract EAX to clear the register AX. Here, the register AX. So we step over. All right, so the AX register will play here. Okay. For line 9, we need to set counter to 4. And the counter is at ECX. So it's here. All right, so we step over. Then, yeah, the ECX counter is set to 4. And then for line 10, here, we just want to set our offset, which is ESI, turn into 8. All right, so ESI here, so we step over. Yeah, the ESI is still here, turn to 8. Right, further, this part is basically a loop segment, and our looping is depend on counter. We are just set just now at ECX, which is 4. So our looping would be 4 times. Okay, so for line 13, the EC means decrements. So that means the program will decrement the value of ESI by 1. So ESI here, the value is 8. And if we step over, it should be 7 because we decrement SI by 1. All right, so it becomes 7. So for line 14, it's the same thing. We just decrement the ESI value by 1 here. All right, it's become 6. Okay, so next, we're going to add AX, which is data plus ESI, to add number to register X. So for now, our X is 0. So, and if we run this, we will get some number here. All right, present here. Okay, so for the okay, so we can see X here, it's become 3. It is because we are just done our first looping. So we're going to continue for the second method. So the same thing, we just need to decrement the SI value by 1. Here SI should be 5. Okay. And again, we decrement the SI value by 1. Okay, it's equal 4. And then again, we add the number to register. Okay, so some value. And then we continue for the third looping. And the same thing, we need to decrement SI by 1, 3, and again, then 1 become 2. Then take the add number to register X. So, and then we continue. Alright, so our ECS value is 1. So it means it is our final pin. So again, we continue the claim SI by 1, 1, okay, becomes 0. Then the last register X. Okay, show some value here. So this is our looping, our last looping. So you can assume that this program would to other part which is really, really complicated. Then, uh, all right. So for the line 19, for this line, the program will clear value in the X. As you can see here, the X value is 128. So if we step over, it will clear the value in the X. So it's equal 0. So next here, for this line, you're gonna set the divider to 4 data. So as we can see here, our CS value is 0. Then if you step over, it will set to 4. Set to 4. Then for this line, one, we will divide the value in X with value in CX. So the X value is 40,960. We will divide by the the CX value, which is 4. Okay, so we start over. Yeah, it's become 10,240. All right. So next for this line, we will store the result into AX. And it's already stored the value in AX. So we step over. Okay, so next for line 23, it's actually to print out the result in hexadecimal value. So if I step over, it should print out the value here. Okay, so step over. Yeah, it show the value in hexadecimal. All right, so we continue. All right, so our development tools. And that's all for our summary. Thank you.